was afraid to do. 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I've traveled